Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Career. I'm Laura, and today we're going to open up a very special Apothecary at Home box that I received. When you are a subscriber to Apothecary at Home, which I've been for a couple of years now, sad to say I've kind of been letting them collect. So I am pausing my subscription. I'll get a February box, and then I'll be done for a little while, and I'll reevaluate. I want to go through all the ones I've already gotten. But if you are a subscriber, link below, be sure to check it out. You will earn plant points. And then you can redeem your plant points for dollars off of products, dollars off of your subscription. Well, I noticed that they had a new item in their shop, and it was an introduction to herbalism. And I'm like, like the song says, let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. So I was able, with my plant points, to get $20 off. Now, it's normally $40-something, so I only paid $20-something. So that was really cool. So here we go. And you get a Budding Herbalist Welcome Booklet, compliments of the Apothecary at Home, updated January 2023. Oh, I had a Crate Joy Best New Box of 2020. Nice. And I do like, this is another case where they're going to teach you. The starter kit is designed to get you acquainted with the wonderful world of plant medicine. You hope you will join us. Da-da-da-da-da. Well, since I've been doing that for 2 years, I think I am. But I'm going to work on this one. They have featured herb, dandelion root and leaf, botanical painting and coloring, dandelion monograph and recipe cards, dandelion seeds, an herbal journal, a heart-shaped tea infusion ball, glass maceration jars, amber glass dropper bottles, and muslin cloth straining bag. But you will go through and you will learn. And once again, my memory's not the greatest, so I have to use little highlighters. And I have a really nice set of highlighters that I use in my Bible. It doesn't bleed through. Nice. It's not real blaring at you. It doesn't mar up or make it unreadable. I'll try to put those in the Amazon shop so you can take a look at them. Probably put them under miscellaneous. But I have to have a notebook. No, it's a brief word of caution. Learning safely is a top priority. Very good. Look for the certified clinical herbalist, registered herbalist, or RHAHD when someone offers you herbal advice. Orientation video. There's a QR code. How do I use the boxes? What can I expect to learn? Health disclaimer. Herbalists are not doctors. All of this is at your own risk. Again, talk to your doctor before you do anything. That's why I contacted my neurologist. But even if you don't have a health condition, you should contact your neurologist. Your doctor, sorry. I will be letting my primary care physician know next month when I see him. But I figure if my neuro says it's okay. But this is all a wonderful recommendation. Oh, recommended texts. Yay. I like that. Okay, I don't like the magical metaphysical thing. That's not a... I'm not a green witch. I'm not... that part I don't believe in. But I do believe in the science of medicine. I do believe we had wise women who knew remedies. You will never see me, with a cauldron, boil, toil and trouble. No. We don't do that. Additional materials, crock pot, double boiler, which I actually have 2 now. Harvesting herbs. Before medicine making, cleanliness is key. Here's a vocabulary, bonus items. So, it is very important to me right now. I'm looking at how I can help my kids, help myself. I'm just thinking the fewer chemicals that we take in, the better. The more natural foods, that's part of why we're trying to grow a garden, why I am canning, why I am trying to make some medicine. I don't know if y'all heard there was like a shortage on infant Tylenol recently. If you've gone to, I don't know about you guys, but I've gone to the pharmacy section of a couple stores and it's practically empty. And it sounds like there's a number of things going on right now. Egg prices have gone up. We've got the avian flu. There's some disease going down with the lettuce. So there's going to be there's going to be more shortages this year. And I don't bet y'all, I want to be prepared. I just wish we had a bigger piece of property to do more. Hopefully that's coming. We simply can't afford it right now, but maybe soon. But I have some dandelions. I know who plants dandelions, right? Who plants dandelions? Well, this girl's going to be. Dandelion jelly. There's a number of things. I can't wait to learn what dandelions can do. We've been ripping those weeds up. Let's see. Health disclaimer. You are solely responsible for researching and approving. Na. Oh! Governed by law in St. Petersburg, Florida. I actually went to school down in St. Petersburg. It's a nice area. I really liked it. Okay. And then we have an herbal monograph. And I'll bet my picture is in here too. So we're just going to open this up. But I am wanting to learn. I'm wanting to and put that learning into practice. So, yep. There's my drawing. And I can color that, or look at that. I'm actually trying to put together a scrapbook and have, the 2 pages and using my little drawings in that, and then write down what they're for, how to use it. Nourishing dandelion vinegar. Let food be thy medicine. Oh, add it to your salads, marinades, and dressings to get the benefits of this vitamin and mineral-rich herb. Let's see. You can... Oh, the leaf is a diuretic, mild laxative, detoxifier. The root is a laxative. Sometimes you can do infusion. Do not use if you have an allergic reaction to latex or the daisy family. So, lots of health disclaimers. Let's see. Maceration jars. A tea diffuser. Throw that away. I have some lovely little labels. Oh, I like it. Eyedropper. Straining bag. And I'm going to say this is another eyedropper. Yep. Again, a straining bag. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, hey. Little funnel. I've been needing one of these. Believe it or not, for my Simply Earth subscription box with the oils. So that's going to come in very handy for a number of things. I have my dandelion leaf. My dandelion root. And my journal notebook. I think the only thing they didn't put in here is a pen to write with. Guess I'll have to come up with that on my own. This is awesome. So this is the introduction, and I was able to get it at half price by using my plant points. So this was pretty great. I'm going to kind of put everything back in the box. We are going to try to start making more videos showing me use the products out of the boxes. How does it taste? Did it work? I can't help but feel like, though, if it's natural, it's got to be better for you. The more natural I can do, the better. My boys are on the spectrum. My daughter has got some little bit of anxiety and some depression. So there's... And rather than taking, over-the-counter medicine, can I take medicine that I've made? So I'm already talking to my husband about what to plant for this year in our garden. And even though we are wanting to move, I'm sorry, I'm a realist. It's going to be a while. So in the meantime, I'm wanting to get some berry bushes, some raspberry leaf, some raspberry bushes, some elderberry bushes. Because I've already learned so much about things to do with my rabbits. For example, if your rabbit's not eating well, you want to give them some fresh rosemary, and that helps stimulate their appetite. Do not give lavender to a pregnant doe. It can cause labor. Do not give mint to a nursing doe. It can dry her up. So there's all kinds of things to learn and to know, and I am really excited about learning this. I like just the whole idea of keeping learning. I don't want to stagnate. My father, he had dementia at the end, and it really was not pleasant to watch. And I know it wasn't pleasant for him to feel. And so if I can exercise my mind and stop polluting slowly, stop polluting my body and stop polluting my family's body, start making this a healthier, happier home, we're going to give that a go. So, Apothecary at Home, check the link down below. Let me know what you think. I've been very happy with it. I've just not done a lot with them. We've had so much other things going on. And since I've started my new treatment, I'm feeling so much better. Still have my off days. I still have days where I'm just not all there. But at least I'm there most of the time. And that's good. So I'm going to try to go through and use these things. See what I can do to improve the house, improve my kids' health, improve their moods, improve their outlook, improve my own. You can find us on Facebook at Crazy Dave's Crew. If you like sewing, we've got Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners. If you like Avon, there's Avon with Laura. If you want to join our online book club, we have the Thursday Threads book club. And if you like bunnies and gardening and canning, that is the Crazy D Ranch and Rabbitry. And you have to check them out. You need to pick me up. Check out some of our shorts with the baby bunnies. If baby bunnies don't make you feel better, well, just keep watching. Just keep watching those baby bunnies. You'll feel better. Even the grown-up babies. We have got one rabbit. He's Frosty. He's a blue-eyed white, and he's gorgeous. He is just so hyper and so happy to see you. We've got a couple American chinchillas, and they're so big, but they think they're still babies. And they love to be loved. So if I'm having a bad day, I go down to see the rabbits. Meanwhile, I have some apothecarying to do. I have some essential oiling to do, and I have some sewing to do. Well, I hope you've been inspired. I said, check out all the links below. We're just having a grand time. Honestly, it's just a blast all the time. And just, I may have overloaded my plate just a little bit, but I am enjoying all the learning. So, we'll just go from there. Keep on keeping on. Just do what we got to do and keep on going. And if we can enjoy the trip, awesome. Well, I hope you will come back to see us right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. And like I said, don't forget to check out the Crazy D Ranch and Rabbitry. And we will see you next time. Have a wonderful, wonderful, healthy, happy, natural day. as our cat Sweetie whines from the other room. I think she's wanting attention. We'll see you next time.